In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your GTA Online transaction error in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your Rockstar server status. You want to go to status.rockstargames.com and make sure that all the services are up to date. And if that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and check your internet connection and use a stable connection, restart your router and modem and try again. If that doesn't work, you might need to power cycle everything, which means turn off your PC, console, and router and wait 30 seconds and turn them back on. You can also go ahead and clear cache to remove corrupted data. Make sure that your date and time or time zone settings are set to automatic, and if you're using any kind of VPNs or proxies, simply go ahead and turn that off. Also, use Google DNS for better connectivity, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Always make sure that you have the correct payment method selected and ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient balance. If none of it works, you have no other options but to restart the game itself. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.